Python multithreading. Wait till all threads finished. This may have been asked in a similar context, but I was unable to find an answer after about 20 minutes of searching, so I will ask. I have written a Python script, let's say, script.py, and a script, let's say script.py. In script I want to call script multiple times with different arguments, each time takes about an hour to run. It's a huge script, does lots of stuff. Don't worry about it, and I want to be able to run the script with all the different arguments simultaneously, but I need to wait till all of them are done before continuing my code. I want to run all the subprocess.call at the same time, and then wait till they are all done. How should I do this? I tried to use threading like the example here. But I do not think this is right. How do I know they have all finished running before going to my do_finish?
You need to use join method of thread object in the end of the script. Thus the main thread will wait till T1, T2 and T3 finish execution.
Put the threads in a list, and then use the join method.
In Python 3, since Python 3.2 there is a new approach to reach the same result, but I personally prefer to the traditional thread creation /start/join, package concurrent.futures, this URL. Using a thread pull executor the code would be the output of the previous code is something like one of the advantages is that you can control the throughput setting the max concurrent workers. To use multiprocessing instead, you can use process pull executor.
I prefer using list comprehension based on an input list.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.